work environment. Unit 5 Directing and Coordination and Control. 2 marked answers for your exam. 1 Motivation meaning. Motivation is the process of stimulating employees to perform willingly and effectively. It drives employees to achieve organizational goals. It can be intrinsic, internal, or extrinsic, external. 2 Motivation theories. Key motivation theories include Maslow's hierarchy of needs, Herzberg's two-factor theory, and McGregor's theory X and Y. They explain what drives employee behavior. Theories help managers design effective motivation strategies. 3 Communication meaning. Communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas, or messages between individuals or groups. It ensures clarity, coordination, and understanding. Effective communication supports organizational efficiency. 4 Communication types. Types include verbal, non-verbal, formal, informal, upward, downward, and lateral communication. Each type serves different purposes in an organization. Proper use ensures smooth information flow. 5 Barriers to communication. Barriers include language differences, cultural gaps, physical distance, noise, and misunderstanding. They hinder clear message transmission. Awareness helps in minimizing communication problems. 6 Measures to overcome barriers. Use clear language, active listening, feedback, and appropriate channels. Adapt to cultural and individual differences. Regular training improves communication effectiveness. 7 Leadership nature. Leadership is the ability to influence and guide individuals or groups to achieve goals. It involves vision, decision-making, and motivation. Leadership shapes organizational culture and performance. 8 Leadership types and theories. Leadership types include autocratic, democratic, and laissez-faire. Theories include trait, behavioral, contingency, and transformational theories. They explain how leaders influence followers. 9 Styles of leadership. Leadership styles are autocratic, democratic, participative, laissez-faire, and transformational. Style depends on situation, tasks, and team characteristics. Effective leaders adapt style as needed. 10 Qualities of a good leader. Good leaders possess vision, integrity, empathy, decisiveness, and communication skills. They inspire, motivate, and guide teams. They earn trust and respect from followers. 11 Successful women leaders. Examples include Indra Nooyi, Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, and Mary Burra. They demonstrate resilience, strategic thinking, and leadership skills. Their success inspires gender equality in workplaces. 12 Challenges faced by women in workforce. Challenges include gender bias, work-life balance, unequal pay, and limited career growth. Overcoming these requires supportive policies and inclusive culture. Women leaders act as role models to inspire others. 13 Supervision. Supervision is guiding and overseeing employees to ensure tasks are completed efficiently. It involves monitoring, coaching, and feedback. Effective supervision enhances productivity and discipline. 14 Coordination meaning. Coordination is the process of harmonizing activities of different departments and individuals. It ensures smooth functioning and goal achievement. It reduces conflicts and duplication of work. 15 Techniques of coordination. Techniques include clear communication, delegation, standardization, team meetings, and effective policies. They align departmental and individual efforts. Proper coordination improves organizational efficiency. 16 Control characteristics. Control ensures activities conform to plans. It helps in decision-making and organizational stability. 18 Stages in control process. Setting standards. 2. Measuring performance. 3. Comparing with standards. 4. Taking corrective action. Stages ensure performance aligns with objectives. It has a systematic process. 19 Requisites of effective control. Clear objectives, accurate standards, reliable measurement, and timely corrective action. Control should be flexible, economical, and acceptable to employees. Effective control supports smooth operations. 20 Controlling techniques. Techniques include budgets, financial statements, break-even analysis, reports, audits, and inspections. They monitor performance and ensure compliance. They help managers take timely corrective actions. 21 Management by exception. MBE. MBE focuses on significant deviations from standards. Managers intervene only when performance differs from expected results. It saves time and emphasizes critical issues.